Welcome. In front of me is a Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using the home screen as an example for this. So once your content is open and visible, you want to press power key and volume down at the same time. Hold it for about a second, and this will capture a screenshot. Now the first time around, this pop-up will stay here till you interact with it, giving you the overview of two options. So we can capture a scrollable screenshot or share it, which obviously send. And when you tap somewhere on the screen, it just gets rid of the message, and after a moment it will, there we go, vanish. Now next screenshots you will capture will not give you this kind of overview of it. It will just capture it, and then after like 2 seconds it's gone. Now the screenshots can be found in your Photos application, so let's open that up, and you can see it right here, the newest photos. And also if you navigate into albums, you will be able to see it in screenshots and screen recordings. As you can see, there are the two screenshots that I have captured as well. So there we go. That is how you can capture a screenshot on here. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.